Okay, so we've done demonstrating how to visualize a frequency distribution. Okay, like this one, the mode of transportation. Okay, um, okay. So we have this, and then we will try to do some visualization like we did in the Excel file. Okay, and this is R. Okay, so how do we do that? Okay, so first let's check their frequency distribution. Okay, so this type frequency. Okay. So first the table. Okay, we will segregate. Okay, and then we'll count how much is the bicycle, how much is the frequency for the bicycle, how much is for the commuting. Okay, so what's the name of this data? Okay, it's named transit survey. Okay, maybe we'll have to rearrange this one. Okay, so just have to use this name. Okay, so table, and then open and close parenthesis, and then automatically it will just appear. Okay, mode of transportation. Okay, so once we have that, just have to put enter. Okay, so type frequency. What's the frequency for this? Okay, so this is it. Bicycle 111, drive along 57, other mode of transportation 18, 173, and then walking 141. Okay, if you view frequency, okay, it will appear here. Uh, enter. Okay, so this is the new table that we have. Okay, so now that we have the table, okay, and then we already have this one, we can now plot from here. Okay, make a bar plot. Okay, like we did in Excel. Okay, so we just have to declare here a bar plot. Okay, and then the frequency data. This is the data that we'll be using. And then the main here is the name of the chart. Okay, okay. So the name will be bar chart for transit survey. Okay, so and then X lab is the bottom. Okay, it is the x-axis. Okay, X lab. That's why it's X lab because it is the x-axis. Okay, so we'll name it number of respondents. Okay, and then it will be horizontal. Horizontal is equals to true. And then the color will be blue. Okay, and then um, the this xlim is the all this. It's the it's like a measure. Okay, we'll have to provide some measure up to 300. Okay, because the maximum here is 273. Then we'll have a line graph up to 300. Okay, a horizontal line graph up to 300. Okay, let's say 0 to 300. Okay, sorry, 0 and 300. Okay, and after that, last is equals to 1. Okay, and then sex that names. This is the names. Okay. By the way, Lux has only three variables here. Okay, it decides what's the situation of the text. It might be inverted. It might be uh, horizontally aligned. Okay, six names will be that size of the names. Okay, enter. Okay, so I have some mistakes. This must be dot. Okay, so we have here already. Okay, so but we haven't have a line in here, so we have to put some line here. So we will add line b is equal to 0. Okay, look at that. We have already a line. Okay, because I declared it as 0, then the line is here. Okay, we can also add here. Let's say I want to add line some in the public uh, transit. Okay, for example only. Okay, it's not recommended. I'm just providing example. Okay, so we have a line here. Okay, right? Or you can have an option to make it uh, like 100 and 73. Okay, I think I've chosen the wrong number. Okay, anyways, huh. Okay, so 273. Okay, okay, so there. Okay, so we can also add here if we wanted to check the second highest, it's the 141. We put some line in there. Okay, so that's the outline. That's the purpose outline. Now we'll have to bring it back. Okay, okay, have to bring it back. Okay, so that's how to view it. Okay, now that we have already the bar chart, okay, horizontal bar chart, we'll now check for the pie chart. Okay, so in order to have a pie chart, by the way, you can save this one as a file. Okay, copy image, save image as. Okay, you can do that. Okay, and for pie chart, just declare pie and then the frequency. Okay, okay, the main here is the name. Okay, okay, pie chart for transit survey. Okay, that's it. Click enter. Now you have a pie chart. Okay, you can either save this one. Okay, if you wanted to. Okay, and that is all provided by the book. Okay, so in case you will encounter in your exercises, okay, that it's not included in the book, you may search it in the internet or you can read the book thoroughly. Okay, but the easiest way is to check Mr. Google. Okay, all of the codes are there. Okay, you just have to analyze it, copy the codes, and then change it to the way you want it to be. Okay, okay. So I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Thank you.